Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. It's just going to be a calm update. I mean, it's Saturday, which usually over the last if we look at the last Saturdays, last week the price just went sideways. Before that, also went sideways. Before that, also went sideways. So that's also what I expect for today. All right. So if you just want to know what will happen with Bitcoin today. That is the most likely answer. If you want a little bit more context on what's going on with Bitcoin right now, what's most likely today, tomorrow, and after that, what happened yesterday with that big breakout and then the drop, and what will happen with the general crypto market, then stay around, because that's what we will be talking about. All right. Apart from that, quickly before we start, I do want to mention Bybit. All right. I'm partnered again with Bybit. It's the main exchange I use. It is, in my eyes, like objectively, I think it's, that's subjectively, but I think it's the best exchange to use. They have a lot of cryptos to trade. They have even more cryptos to just buy in spot, practically all you need. So consider signing up with them, all right? Great exchange to use. Links to that will be down in the description. But for now, on to Bitcoin. So what happened yesterday, and we already talked about it in the emergency update yesterday, is that the volume for Bitcoin was very low, right? So the volume yesterday was around $13.5 billion, which is in the middle of the week, that's quite low. So what happened then is that if the volume is low, you need less money to manipulate the markets to the upside. So that is what happened, because in the end, and that's also what I was afraid of yesterday, and that's why I made the emergency update. Yes, Bitcoin did break above the main resistance level at 38,000. But then it dropped down below that level instantly again. So it seems to have been a fake out. And just in general, I mean, if you look at the market structure right now for Bitcoin, it actually does look bullish, right? So it's still a possibility that it's more neutral than bullish. But at this moment, it surely does look bullish, all right? So in general, I do like moves like that. I do expect them I do expect the price to return back to that level. But for now, I see no reason why Bitcoin would have a massive rally, all right? I see no reason why Bitcoin would have a lot of momentum, a lot of bullish momentum. I see a reason why the price is trending up, but an uptrend is basically up and down, but then every time the price goes up, it's up a little bit more. And when it drops down, it's a little bit less. So that's still what I expect for now, or at least on the short term. Like right now, you can actually see that Bitcoin, with the moves it made yesterday, it actually grabbed quite a bit of liquidity. Up here, and now most of the liquidity really is below the price. So even though I don't expect any movements today, I think it's most likely when we're looking at the market structure, right? So the market structure is still bullish, but there's no reason to assume that the price will only go up, right? So I think it's more likely right now that today the price will not move, but that next week we will get some more bearish momentum down to at least 36,700. And then from there, we'll see. If that holds, then it's going to be, before you know it, Bitcoin breaks above 38,000 next week and rallies up to 39,200 and 40,000. Something like that at this moment seems most likely. Well, not this big of a rally, but just a continuation of this bullish momentum, right? So overall, Bitcoin, I would say it's bullish, but I do think on the short term, on the short term, I think it's more likely it grabs that liquidity at least. And then from there, I expect it to be bullish again, right? So that it jumps up from that support. But yeah, I mean, a pullback is healthy. Sometimes a pullback is necessary, all right? So that's what I expect on the short term. From there, I'll obviously keep you updated on it every single day, because there's always a possibility that at the end of the month, November, market is volatile and the market turns around. It's a possibility. It's not what I expect, but I'll keep you updated on that. All right. For now, thank you for watching. I want to wish you all a great weekend. And if you're interested in my own premium group or signal group, I have both. Links to that will be down in the description or the pinned comment. You can check that out for yourself. See if it's something you like. But for now, thank you for watching. Like I said, have a great weekend and bye.